Welcome back to Smart Affiliates. I remain your host, Sam Chidebere. This is video 2 of the series, a step-by-step guide to brainstorming affiliate marketing ideas in 2024. If you have not watched video 1 of the series, I suggest you pause this video right here, go and watch it, and come back and join us. Today's topic is hot and it is fully loaded. It's the kernel of the whole video series and it's entitled Brainstorming Affiliate Marketing Ideas. Now, my rising affiliate marketers, it's time to unleash your creativity and brainstorm those affiliate marketing ideas that will set you apart. Here are some techniques to spark your creativity. 1. Mind mapping. Start with your central idea, which could be your niche or a broad topic like sustainable living. Then branch out with related keywords, sub-niches, and product categories. Mind maps help you visually organize your thoughts. 2. Reverse engineering. Look at successful affiliate marketing campaigns or content in your niche. Reverse engineer their strategies to understand what worked. Then think about how you can put your unique spin on it. Analogies and metaphors. Number 3. Draw parallels between unrelated concepts or niches. For example, how does sustainable living relate to personal finance? Exploring these connections can lead to innovative ideas. 4. Customer personas. Create detailed customer personas for your target audience. Put yourself in their shoes and think about what products or solutions will genuinely benefit them. 5. Trend mashup. Combine multiple trends or emerging niches. For instance, if your sustainable living and tech gadgets are trending, brainstorm ideas that match these two words, like eco-friendly smart home solutions. Number 6. Problem solution approach. Identify common problems or pain points in your niche. Then brainstorm affiliate marketing ideas that provide solutions. Remember, people are looking for answers to their problems. Number 7. Role playing. Pretend you are the consumer and explore your niche from their perspective. What questions would they have? What products or services would they be interested in? This empathy-driven approach can yield fresh ideas. Number 8. Collaborate. Brainstorming doesn't have to be a solo endeavor. Collaborate with fellow affiliate marketers. Bounce our ideas off each other and see where the synergy takes you. Number 9. Stay informed. Continuously educate yourself about your niche. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and participate in forums. Staying informed about the latest developments can inspire new ideas. 10. Idea journal. Keep an idea journal where you jot down thoughts and inspirations as they come to you, even if they seem unrelated at first. You never know when these seeds will sprout into brilliant concepts. Remember, the key is to let your imaginations run wide and not limit yourself during the brainstorming process. The most unexpected ideas can often lead to the most successful affiliate marketing campaigns. These techniques will help rising affiliate marketers tap into their creativity and generate innovative affiliate marketing ideas that resonate with their target audience. Join me in the next video, which will be the part 3 in the series, where we will be evaluating and prioritizing the ideas generated so far in this episode. If you want to know when that video is uploaded, then hit that subscribe button right away if you have not already done so. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might need the same info. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments section below. Until then, keep combing the affiliate marketing world and dream big. Catch ya! Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.